Hello everyone. Today I make tender, flavorful pork belly inside GUA BAO. Don't you think they look marvelous and very yummy? I invite you to the kitchen with me and show you how I make them. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. This is the ingredients for cooking the pork. And this is the ingredient for making the sauce. I have 1 kilogram pork belly. You can use different pork, but pork belly will make the most flavor. I remove skin. I will roll the skin and cook separately. The meat remaining I cut into thick pieces. 1 piece like that will go into 1 GUA BAO. If you wonder and you are new, you don't know that I made very soft and fluffy GUA BAO, you can click to the description box below for the recipe that I made GUA BAO. For the pork, I use salt, pepper, fish sauce to marinate just like for 10 minutes. And this is the only ingredients for the cooking pork. I cook them for few hours so that they have the body, and I rub the pork in and let it cook for 4 hours until it's tender. Now after I have that broth, very flavorful, I scoop out about half cup of it together with the ingredients for sauce, and I already did 1 tablespoon sugar and made caramel. Now the pork was cooked. I remove together with the skin roll and I rub into the sauce. Can you see the sauce is thick and very nice color and fragrant now. So I just rub in and I turn around so that every piece of pork and skin roll coat with the sauce, and that's it. At the end, I will add 1 teaspoon of honey to enhance the flavor. When you eat the pork, you will taste its salty, flavorful, and a little sweet due to this honey that I just added on. And that's it. Your pork is ready. Now this is the GUA BAO I made earlier. You can make a lot and put in the freezer until you want to use them. Now I cut the skin roll into slices. If you don't want to eat pork skin, you can skip this step, but we Asian, we love pork skin, and this is the way to cook flavorful pork skin. I don't have much skin, so each GUA BAO will have only one slice. Now let's assemble GUA BAO. So I open one bowl and I drop in one piece of pork, one piece of skin roll, 2 pieces tomato, a sprig of cilantro, and I will use the sauce that when it's it's thickened. I use the sauce and sauce every GUA BAO, and that's it. They are ready to be devoured. Look beautiful. The color of tomato and green onion. No, not green onion, sorry. This is green cilantro and dark mahogany pork belly and the white outer shell of GUA BAO. What a meal! I made this and I gave it to my neighbor, and he loved it so much. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, put in the comment section below. I will answer them. And I hope you like my video and share to other people so they know about it. And now I invite you to have a taste test with me. It's very, very good. I love it. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon. Come back soon. Thank you. Bye bye.